Hello, now we go to the final part of our testing. We have an onboard charger, 6.6 kilowatt onboard charger. And this onboard charger is air-cooled and IP67, output 540 volt, input 220 volt AC. We can see the OPC is here, and we have a AC charger pipe here. Now we start to charge car to start auto, and we swap our car. Okay, and we can see from our software to see if it is charging, and it's not in charging. We turn on the system. Now we can see when the power is on. Now it's in charging. The charging current is 6.4, and because we have set the charging limit of the system to 5 amps, so the maximum charging current is 5 amps. We also can see in on the software on the DBC. We can see on the DBC, the BMS to OBC allowed charging current is 5 amps, and if we change the VCU setting, the BMS setting to, for example, 8, let's see if the charging current is increased. We increase. Now it's 2.8, 2.7. We can see from here the allowed charging current already changed to 8, and this is the BMS sent to the OBC. Because now the battery is almost full, so the charging current is not going to be big. We can see in the BMS software, the charging current now is 3 amps, and the SOC is around 94%. We also can see the OBC schedule in the DBC, output voltage and the temperature, and also the OBC is sending to the BMS the CC and CP limit. This CC and CP limit is recognized by the OBC itself. The OBC has ability to check the CC and the CP limit from the AC charger, from the AC charger pipe, and is a complete independent function of the OBC. Okay, and we can see the charging is normal, and we will finish our testing. Thank you.